Okay, now I put the timing gears on. That's the inlet, exhaust, intermediary, shaft. Now the shaft, main shaft plug's got one dot, exhaust inlet's got an inlet and a dot, and exhaust has got X and a dot. The intermediate has got two dots, a single dot, and a dot and a dash, or one. Now, two dots go on the single dot in the shaft, exhaust single lines up the single one, and inlet single lines up the dash or one. Now, what I thought I'd do afterwards, I thought I'd check it, so I rotated it. And I couldn't get it to line up again. I thought, oh gee, what's the matter with this? Then I happened to read the book a bit better, and it seems only every 90, once you've set this up and you rotate it, it's only every 94th revolution will they line up again. So, once they're set, you've got to trust that they're set. And now, on we go. Okay, just tightened up the nuts to some 75 foot-pound. I know that some people you see, they put a spare timing gear in there to stop it from turning. Well, I don't know how many people got spare timing gears, or why you would have a spare timing gear. So I've done what the Haynes one done, which I've done before with them. I just get a bar, and I just put it through one of the eyes, the big small ends, and then just tighten it down, and that does it. And it rests, and the bar rests across the top of the crankcases. Okay, so I'll put the stator and the rotor on. New and on it there. Fit the free. Put this on now. We've got these large washers, which are called spacers. They say there's 6 of them in the parts manual. Now I can't imagine them having pairs, one after the other, so I'll put 3 behind. These things here, you see how thick they are? 3 behind and 3 in front. It said there's a spacer behind this rotor, but I don't see why there would be one, because the way this looks like it's all evenly, the stator is in the middle of the rotor's in the middle of the stator. And I don't remember taking the space off of this. And then just tighten the nut up to 50 foot-pound.